2 guns and 67 rounds of ammunition stolen from a sleeping cop?
That's serious?
JGTV, your choice for Jamaican entertainment.
Bang, 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 connect!
A member of the JCF is now under investigation after he reported that a bag carrying his service pistol, his private licensed firearm, and more than 60 rounds of ammunition were stolen from a room he was sleeping in.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
According to police reports, last Friday, the cop, whose name and rank is being withheld, went to the premises in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth, with a black knapsack containing a Glock pistol which he was issued by the JCF, his personal Beretta 9mm, 4 magazines with a total of 67 rounds of ammunition, a wallet containing his JCF identification card, and cash. It is reported that yesterday morning the cop woke up and found that the bag had been stolen. There is no indication yet of how the thief entered the room where the policeman was sleeping with the bag on a chair close to his bed. The Santa Cruz Criminal Investigation Branch is probing the matter. So, me not understand this. How I saw people sleep dead? You see me? I saw people sleep dead. But me don't know how can somebody come in your room and take up something off of your chair beside your bed where you asleep and you don't hear? Nah man, something off about this. People, let me know the thinking in the comments. Something off about this. Because me have a theory, you know. I'm not saying that this is true, but me have a theory. Zine, not more than I want catty him sleep with and ropes, something gonna happen and the catty take up him things them and gone with it. You see me? That's just my theory. Because guess what? You see, woman love the things when man asleep, you know. Woman love the things when man asleep. Maybe I'm woman do this to scare him or something. I don't know. Let me know what you thinking in the comments. People like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you share the video. When you share the video, it really helps me out. You see me? I'm out.